Hello guys, this is Pablo Krishnadas, son of the greatest parents on this earth, founder of Team Mad Motivation, YouTuber, blogger, writer and public speaker. I have brought this video to teach you 8 secrets of a great leader. अगर आप अपनी जिंदगी में एक महान नेता बनना चाहते हैं, एक लीडर बनना चाहते हैं, अपने घर, अपने ऑफिस, अपने स्कूल, अपने कॉलेज, हर जगह आप अपनी जिंदगी में मास्टरी हासिल करना चाहते हैं, then this video is for you. Because every leader has some great qualities. And if you have these qualities, you can become a great leader. You can become a legend of your work. बट उससे पहले आपको समझना होगा कि कौन से सीक्रेट होते हैं जो एक लीडर को एक एवरेज इंसान से अलग करते हैं। और मैंने इस वीडियो में यही समझाने की कोशिश की है कि आप भी अपने अंदर वो क्वालिटीज डाल लें जिससे आप भी एक बेहतरीन नेता बन सकें, अपनी जिंदगी में एक लीडर बन सकें। और अगर आपने अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, डू सब्सक्राइब दैट एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन टू रिसीव मोर अपडेट्स एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। प्लीज वॉच टिल द एंड। हियर वी गो। फर्स्ट,
leader is not the one who lead but let others to lead. एक लीडर नेता वो होता है जो खुद लीड नहीं करता बल्कि दूसरों को एक नेता बनने के रूप में आगे पुश करता है। जिंदगी में जब जब आपने दूसरों की मदद की है बेहतर बनने में, दूसरों की मदद की है एक बेहतर जीवन जीने में, उनके जीवन में जो वो प्राप्त करना चाहते हैं वो अचीव करने में, तो आपने पाया है कि आप एक बेहतरीन नेता के रूप में उभरे हैं। जब आप अपनी जिंदगी में दूसरों की ज्यादा मदद करते हो, once you start serving more and to the number of more people, you become a leader. Do not lead by yourself. Let others lead because one day automatically you will be a leader. Second biggest secret of leadership is every leader is biggest responsible person. Whether he accomplishes the task or not, if he gets something good, he shares with his team. But if something wrong happens, he takes responsibility. हर एक नेता, हर एक लीडर अपनी जिंदगी में उत्तरदायी होता है and he takes the liability for not doing anything. He is always responsible for not happening whatever it was about to. हर नेता अपनी जिंदगी में एक responsible person होता है। अगर आप अपनी जिंदगी में सिर्फ क्रेडिट के लिए नहीं, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के लिए काम करते हो, यू आर अ ग्रेट लीडर। द थर्ड ग्रेट क्वालिटी ऑफ अ लीडर इज ही इज अ गुड कम्युनिकेटर। कम्युनिकेशन वर्क्स लाइक अ ब्लड with your followers, with the team that you have. In a business, it is a blood. In a college and school, it is a blood and it's a flow between your followers, students and you. If you can communicate so well and you have a power of public speaking, then you can become a good leader. Because when a leader communicates, he sends his message clearly to his audience. A good communicator is always a good leader. So make sure you become a good communicator if you want to become a good leader. Thank you. The fourth quality of a great leader is he sets his own example. As one of my favorite writer Robin Sharma said in his book, he said, lead by your own examples. Lead the world with the examples. And Jesus also said in the Bible that if you want to put the example of anybody in this world, you are the best option. So every leader is always going to set his own examples to inspire the people. If you are a good communicator and want to set your own example to the people, to the followers that you have, to the students of yours, you are a good leader. This is the fourth quality. You set your own example. Fifth secret of leaders is he listens carefully. Every leader give his all attention to the listeners what are they speaking. Because when you speak something, you reach to the mind of the people. But when you listen to them, you touch their heart. Every leader touches your heart by listening you. If you are truly want to become a leader, Start listening to the people, what advices they are giving, what teachings they are giving. And when you listen to your colleagues, your friends, your family, people around you, they will automatically get attached with you, and you will become a true leader. That's the sixth secret of leader is he inspires. Whenever you find a chance in your life to inspire somebody, to fuel something in them, to give energy and push their life, just do it, because this is the quality of a great leader. He inspires the people by his example. He inspires them to do something when they are down. जब उनकी जिंदगी की जीने की इच्छा खत्म हो जाती है, तब जो खड़ा होता है, उनको खड़ा करता है, उनके जीवन में महत्व डालता है, उनके जीवन का महत्व समझाता है, उनका पर्पस समझाता है, उन्हें क्या करना है वो समझाता है, वो लीडर होता है. If you want to become a leader, start inspiring the people, start influencing their life. This is the best way to motivate them. If you want to become a leader, inspire the people. The seventh secret of a leader is he is dynamic decision maker. Yes, exactly. You heard it right. You know what? Difficult decisions take huge courage. कठिन निर्णय लेने के लिए साहस की आवश्यकता होती है, और एक साहसी व्यक्ति ही कठिन निर्णय ले सकता है. और एक लीडर की सबसे बड़ी क्वालिटी ये होती है कि वो अपनी जिंदगी में बड़े से बड़े, कठिन से कठिन निर्णय लेने के लिए तैयार होता है. आज तक आपने कितने ऐसे निर्णय लिए हैं जिन्होंने आपकी जिंदगी बदल दी है? यू नो व्हाट, जितना ज्यादा कठिन निर्णय होगा उसका रिवॉर्ड उतना ही बड़ा होगा. क्या आपने अपनी जिंदगी में कोई ऐसा निर्णय लिया है? डू कमेंट दैट. आर यू अ डिसीजन मेकर, डायनामिक डिसीजन मेकर? येस और नो? कमेंट. Bigger the problem, bigger the solution, bigger the leader you are. Hi guys, this is Pablu Krishna Das, son of the greatest parents on this earth, founder of Team Mad Motivation, YouTuber, blogger, writer and public speaker. The eighth and the last secret of great leader is they solve the big problems. You know, we had the problem of inventory, Alibaba.com. We had a problem of social communication, Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp we have. We have a problem of shops, Amazon we have. And you know what? These people, the owner of these companies nowadays, billionaires and biggest leaders ever, you know how did they become? They solved the big problems. What problem do you want to solve in your life? If it is the biggest problem, you will become the biggest leader and billionaire.